Virtual reality, artificial intelligence, robotics, communication, and rockets. Behind each of these cutting-edge technologies, there is one core component, FPGA, a semiconductor integrated circuit.
我刚才讲到的那几种 CPU.
Theoretically, FPGA can deliver all the functionality of other chips like CPU. If you can design FPGA, then you can design all the other chips. So we can say that FPGA is the crown jewel in semiconductor chip design.
In 2016, two US companies held almost 90% of the global market share for this advanced tech. And early this year, when the US banned Chinese telecom giant ZTE from buying American tech products, FPGA chips were on that list. But now, GOWIN Semiconductor, a rising startup in China's southern production hub Guangzhou, is looking to create a homegrown replacement for this coveted production input.
只要它的器件跟我们差不多大
I think the FPGA chips can fully replace the US-produced equivalent. It's already been proven by our clients.
4 years ago, seeing the huge potential of China's consumer electronics market, Ge Yunfei and some other partners founded GOWIN with private investment.
新兴的消费领域
We chose South China because this is the world's largest consumer electronics market. In January 2017, we got our first order with only 10 chips, but this year we can expect to sell 10 million chips.
This expanded capacity has made China one of the two countries in the world which can make FPGA chips at a viable production volume. Now, GOWIN has clients from across the globe, such as Mr. FERBER from Israel.
I think a company that is not just trying to imitate, but also to renovate. GOWIN has direction in the roadmap which are quite promising and can fit into a market that is looking for such product.
One of the main goals of the ongoing China-US trade war, wished by US President Donald Trump, is to contain the rapid development of China's tech industry. But experts say with more companies like GOWIN, it's almost an unstoppable trend for Chinese tech firms to rise.
中国的发展从来都是在压力当中发展的。
China's development has always been under pressure. None of our achievements ever relied on the mercy of others. The containment against China is always there. So I don't see any difference from the current restrictions to those of the past.
For GOWIN, though, the trade war doesn't seem to be causing them any trouble.
我们的 FPGA 上面用的 IP
We have the full intellectual property rights to our designs and products, so in the short term, the trade war will not affect us.
Ge Yunfei believes China will one day have its own Intel, and his company might just be a contender in the future. But the continuing trade war is not doing any country any good. Ge Yunfei, CGTN, Guangzhou.